Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a ton of fun patio decorating, some DIYs, some flower planting, and also this company called Abba Patio sent to me this umbrella and umbrella stand, and I thought it would be a perfect video to do a patio video. So you guys, I am actually at my mom's house. When I did this video, I thought that her patio could use a little makeover. It's now the beginning of spring and summer in Michigan. It's actually nice. There's no snow. There has been some rain, so this has taken a little while to do, but I was over the top excited about how cute everything turned out when it was all done. So this is my mom's house, like I said, and this is like her deck. I like to call it a patio, so forgive me, but that's just what I like calling it. But I'm just wiping everything down first, and then this is the patio umbrella and stand that they sent me. The umbrella is 7.5 feet, and it has a push tilt and crank lift, and it is the color beige. It is so pretty, and it is such a good quality umbrella. This stand was super easy to put together. They gave step-by-step instructions, and then underneath this little thing you can fill this up with water to hold it down even more. I didn't add water because I know that I wouldn't be able to lift it, my mom wouldn't be able to lift it, so we just left it as is, and it still works just as nice. And then this is the umbrella. I love this color. They had many different colors to choose from, I think like blue and stripes and things like that, but I thought this was just more realistic, and it looked really nice, and it came in 2 pieces, so you just had to attach the little bottom part to the top part, and then that was it. Like that's how simple it was, you guys. I love this. Like I said, the quality of this is super nice. I was very, very impressed. So if you guys want to check this out, I will leave the link in the description box below so you guys will be able to check out this company as well.
Close eyes till the sun come down. I keep on waiting, waiting. You must have lost my number, answer me now.
And this is how easy it is. There is a up and down crank, so it shows you which way to go. And then also at the top, there is this button that you just press and it tilts your umbrella for you. I thought that was a really cool feature in this umbrella. And this is what it looks like when it is all set up. And my mom absolutely loved this. I was really, really happy that she liked it. And I think it looks great out here.
I'm just waiting, waiting, waiting. I'ma get through to you somehow.
So for this first DIY, I'm using a 12-inch pot. I am using a 8-inch pot, and I am also using a 4-inch pot or a 6-inch pot. I cannot remember to save my life, but if I can remember, I will leave that link, or I will leave all that in the description box below. But I'm just painting everything in chalk paint, which I always use white, and then I just made these printables on my own, or they're not even really printables. I just went to canva.com and typed some things and printed them, and I did plant, bloom, and grow. You could paint these on. I chose to do it the easy way out and just cut them and Mod Podge them to the pots. And that was all I had to do. These were really simple, and all these are super, super simple and easy.
See, waiting's got me paying. It's in the mess, baby. I need the mess. Woo-hoo-hoo. Now what if I did the same to you? That you would be less.
Alright, I use a lot of 8-inch pots, so I'm going to be using one for this, and then some nautical rope. I had to use 5 bunches of nautical rope, probably about 5.5, because I found some that was just kind of cut and used, and I'm going to wrap this around the entire pot, and that is all I did with this one. This one took a little while, but I love the way this turned out in the end, and I will show you the grand finale of all of these in the end, if that makes sense. The grand finale, I don't know, but I will show you what I did with all these towards the end of the video. So I'm just showing you guys how I put these together first, and then we go to the outdoors to show you what I planted and everything like that. now I just took some acrylic paint in the Key West and my wonderful white chalk paint, and I mixed them together because the coverage is way better and it dries so fast here. That's why I love painting terracotta pots, and it only takes just minutes to dry. And I just mixed them together so it was a lighter blue, and like I said, the coverage was way better with chalk paint. And then now I'm just taking some twine and I'm just going to be wrapping it only around the top of the terracotta pot. And I always use hot glue all the way around the first little spot just to make sure that it stays, and then I do use it as I go. This one I didn't make like super perfect because it kept messing up and I was getting a little frustrated, but I don't know if I was just like wanting to hurry and get outside. Like you said, it's beautiful out, you guys, and I don't like staying inside when it's nice because lately it's been just raining. So yeah, that's all I did with this one. Just wrap some twine around the top and called it good.
You keep on sailing. What a distinct.
This next one, I'm just using a candle plate and a couple of these little terracotta pots and some E6000 and hot glue. And I'm just going to glue the two terracotta pots together. I got these 2 for $1 at the Dollar Tree, so you can definitely pick those up there. And then I'm just going to glue the two terracotta pots together, and then I'm going to paint everything in chalk white paint. As usual, I actually tried spray painting it, but I don't know if my spray paint was just like old and not working. But so anyways, I ended up just going with my good old chalk paint and it worked out perfect. And then I just glued it to the candle plate to make this cute little stand. And then I think this is an 8-inch pot as well, and I'm just using my white chalk paint. And then this twine, I picked this one up at Walmart, and it's a little bit thicker twine, so it wraps around a lot faster and a lot easier, and I liked this one way better. And then I'm just going to take that and wrap it around the top. And then I just got back on Canva and did a printable, and I love the saying, grow through what you go through, so I did that as well. Took some Mod Podge, threw it on to the pot, although I really wish I would have painted this one on. I don't like the way this one turned out, just because you can tell I just glued something to the side, so I probably will not end up using that saying, but I still like it. And then I took another little pot, did the same thing, and just made a little bow. This one is a really small one. This one also came from the Dollar Tree. And then to seal them all, I'm just using this Rust-Oleum Gloss Clear or Clear Gloss, and it works just as good as polyurethane. So I have definitely had these out in the rain for days now, and the paint has not came off at all. So I was really excited about that. And then I'm just taking my pool noodles and tearing them apart. I've seen this online that you can do this to help so you don't have to put as much soil in the bottom of the pots, and it still drains the water out just fine. So I cut up pool noodles, and then I went to my local hardware store and I picked up a bunch of really cool flowers. They actually had the best prices I've ever seen around. I don't know. I could not find any flowers on sale when I wanted to do this, and I thought that these were a good price. I paid like $12 for the whole flat. And then I got some marigolds and like some other really cute ones. I don't know the names of flowers. I just buy whatever I think is pretty and cute. And then I also bought some topsoil. I heard this was better than using potting soil. I don't know, I'm not a professional gardener, but this is what I was told. So that is what I'm using, and I like this. I think the looks are a lot better than potting soil, so I was totally happy with this. And you guys don't need to get upset about the way I plant flowers. I know I probably don't do it right, but trust me, you guys, I have the greenest thumb ever, and nothing ever seems to die around here except succulents. But you don't even need a green thumb for that. But yeah, so this is what I am planting with. I feel like I'm talking way, way too much. And then for these 3 pots, I wanted to stack them. I've seen this all over Pinterest for years and years and years, and I wanted to do this. So I just put the little pot in the big one, and I kind of put the flowers around it just to see how much room I had and how much soil I'd have to use. And I did end up taking a lot of the pool noodles out because when I started putting the potting soil in or the topsoil, I realized I put way, way too much of that in there, and the flowers I couldn't even bury a hole and like dig them and like plant them because it was just too much. But anyways, this was like super simple. I love the way this turned out. It's so cool looking. It's so pretty, and I definitely recommend to do this because it is the easiest thing to do. And then I put my little pot in to see where I could plant these flowers, and then the top pot I just added 1 flower. You could probably actually add more flowers. I just chose not to because you never know. And I know marigolds, I know they grow and they get bigger, so I didn't know how much bigger they were going to get in these pots. So that's why I didn't add any more than about 4 and 6 to each of these. And then yeah, there's my little one right at the top of the pot. And I think this turned out just amazing. I absolutely love that. And then we are back to my mom's, and then I thought that these look super cute on her patio since, like I said, it was so plain. And then these are the way the pots turned out in the end. Like I said, I just planted real flowers in them. I love the way this looks. It's summer, it's spring. We need flowers and we all need to be outside. And then now I'm just putting together my plant grow bloom pots. And I just put that in the corner of the patio, and I thought this looked so cute.
Direction are you heading? You see me waiting, losing.
And then I thought the table would need a cute tray, so I just am putting a couple of the pots and the little stand that I made with terracotta pots into here. This little milk bottle came from Hobby Lobby for like $2 with their 75% off clearance, and so did that rooster. I think that was like $3 or $4, but I love that so much. This little Tabasco basket came from Walmart, and Life is Beautiful Succulent. You guys know where that came from. That came from the Dollar Tree. And then this is how the centerpiece turned out. I think this looks so pretty out here.
I'm losing ground with every long distance sound. Woo-hoo-hoo. Now what if I did the same to you? Bet you would be less cool. Yeah, what if I did the same to you? Woo-hoo-hoo. Now what if I did the same to you? Bet you would be less cool. Yeah, what if I did the same to you? It can take days if I know you, and get one of those minutes. Yeah, I'll keep on waiting. I won't close eyes till the sun come down. I'll keep on waiting, losing. Woo-hoo-hoo. Now what if I did the same to you? Bet you would.
All right, you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below, and let me know what your favorite pot was that I made. Like I said, these are really easy. I literally just painted terracotta pots and threw some sayings on them, or threw some twine or rope or whatever. They were the simplest DIYs I have ever made, but I love the way they turned out. I love the flowers. I love everything, but yeah, that's it. And make sure you go check out Abba Patio. Like I said, links in the description box below so you'll be able to check those guys out. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.